As a merged Saudi-Lebanese joint venture, ASK Gypsum Factory has been a pioneer embarking upon a course of manufacturing gypsum-based products since 2005. Our facilities are located in the strategically positioned city of Yunbo of Western Saudi Arabia, contributing 50 years of experience to the country's gypsum industry. The Royal Commission Industrial Area of Yunbo has its major Red Sea port outlet at the service of our regional export markets. With the works and offices prowling over an area of around 75,000 square meters, equipped with state-of-the-art machinery having production capacity of 20 million square meters of gypsum boards per year, we have a well-trained and steadfast team of more than 350 employees, including executives and workmen who have one common goal, and that is serving you with the finest quality. Our industry breaks down into gboard for gypsum boards and Gulf gypsum for powder. Products are taken command of from the quarry as raw materials along throughout the whole process and handled with dedication until the end result. Our facilities are all environmentally friendly, making sure there are no toxic emissions during the manufacturing process. The setting is also very eco-friendly, surrounded by a pleasant tree encompassment to the whole facility. Gboard has its own open-pit quarry in Saudi Arabia, which comes in largely to its advantage. Because gboard goes hand-in-hand with quality, the quarry is where quality control begins with precision and a meticulous selection to taking in premium raw materials. The materials are then crushed into rubble and screened to remove the waste and the dust. Gboard's choice in cutting-edge machinery, which rhymes up to worldwide standards in caliber, also furnishes our ever-growing will to please more and more customers. Our advanced machinery has a capacity of 3,000 tons per shift. Its efficiency gives a reliability in manufacturing and enables the quarry to be ready for additional production. After the selection and breaking of the rocks, they are transported to our premises where they are processed started by milling. The milling quarter is built underground to prevent any kind of dust emissions, as gboard's commitment and respect to the environment's protection. The process highlights gboard's excellence in taking a high-grade procedure into an even higher-grade product, emphasizing that quality be the best to serve consumers. Satisfying the country's domestic requirements, we produce 400,000 tons of gypsum powder a year, which we had to increase in the past 5 years, going from 85,000 tons to 400,000 tons. The amounts produced have been increased due to an immensely rising demand over top-quality products, which keeps mounting as we aim to reach an even bigger production in the next few years. Acting green is on the top of our priority list, and it is important to mark that our motto, Build Natural, accentuates the eco-friendly ways of manufacturing our products. Stocks of raw materials are chosen best to match with the manufacturing job and later on benefit in less amount of waste. Gboard's unique drying process focuses on heat exchangers which protect the product from sulfur contamination and allows it to maintain its consistency in terms of quality. The paper layers to enclose the drywall are of top grade and imported from Europe to be processed in the grinders. Gboard makes sure it allies with topmost cardboard suppliers, seeing that cardboard is an essential item involved. The gypsum powder is now hydrated by mixing with water and proper ingredients and additives, depending on the type of board produced in a mixture known as slurry that will be sandwiched between the two paper layers. The material moves along the conveyor belt while skilled workers check for defect in the boards that are to be recycled. The boards are cut from 1.6 meters to 4 meters in length, with a thickness that varies from 6 millimeters to 32 millimeters. Gypsum boards possess great insulation qualities and improve lifestyle conditions, because gypsum is a natural product that has no toxins, as well as being a light material like no other, perfect for partitioning and decorative purposes. Gboard offers a wide variety of boards, from standard to fire, impact, and water-resistant boards, which are installed in hospitals and schools nowadays to strengthen walls subject to impact. After production, Gboard has 13,000 square meters of space to store buffer stock in order to fulfill incoming demands without fail or delay. 99.9% of our product is natural with no use of the FGD process, avoiding any sort of contamination. The product is of eco-friendly origins, without any radiation or other impurities. The factory's location is a couple of minutes away from the Yunbo port, which is the factory's portal to the African and European markets. The gypsum boards and powder are shipped in charter vessels to their respective destination. We follow up with the product's safety until delivery. Careful handling is what our employees stand for. Therefore, loading and unloading the products is done with topmost accuracy and accountability. By all that, we have maintained a tight partnership with all our clients, which has led to immense trust in our service. One of our aims is to be able to produce an addition of 30 million square meters of gypsum by 2012, summing up to 50 million square meters a year. And all this to continue satisfying the increasing demand for our high-grade goods. Gboard is one of the largest suppliers of gypsum products in the Gulf region, and we strive for worldwide recognition, always setting a beacon of excellent example to other industries in the field. The UL mark is the most recognized, accepted, and trusted symbol worldwide. It is a registered certification of Underwriters Laboratories, Inc., an independent product safety testing and certification organization. UL certificates are issued when a product qualifies and meets all of the requirements and safety norms set forth by the Underwriters Laboratories with regards to safety. Gboard has established many tight partnerships locally as well as internationally, and it intends on strengthening those ties to keep thriving regionally and globally. We are proud to have the well-recognized reputation we possess, and our aims revolve around enhancing more living conditions with our prime gypsum products.